Okay, for this question, the LCM of 9, 12, and K is equals to 252. So we take note that K is odd. Okay, the fact that it is odd, this will also mean that basically K must not be a multiple of 2. It cannot contain 2 as a factor. It cannot contain 2 as a factor or any multiples of 2. Okay, cannot 2 as a factor. Alright, so now we look at 9, 12, and K, right? What we do is we work backwards. So we can say the first number 9, which is basically 3 power 2. The second number is 12. And 12, if we prime factorize this will be 2 power 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, and the third number will be K. The third number will be K. Okay, so given that K is odd, your LCM 252 is basically equals to 2 power 2 times 3 power 2 times 7. Now, if you consider the fact that K is odd, K cannot contain any powers of 2. Cannot contain 2 as a factor. So next one, if we look at 3, right? Right. So this portion here, K, it could be K may contain 3, right? Because if it's 3, it will still be 3. K can even be 3 power 1, or 3 power 2, right? Or K can even be like 3 power 0, which is just equals to 1. Okay, so in this case, you can see that under the powers of 3, right, K can afford either 3 or 3 power 2. Then under 7, you notice that 7 is not present in the number 9 or 12. So the number 9 does not contain 7. The number 12 does not contain 7, but the LCM has 7 as a common factor. So therefore, right, K must contain 7. Okay, so based on this, right, you know that, okay, K cannot contain 2. Remember, K is odd. K could be either, could be just 7. K could be equal 3 times 7. Or K can also be equal to 3 to the power of 2 times 7. Alright, so that's the idea for this question. So K can be either, so if it's 3 times 7, that will be 21. If it's 9 times 7, that will be 63. So K can either be 7, 21, or 63. Okay, so that's the end of example 3.8.